Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. Exactly 4 years ago, Mark Zuckerberg announced a revolutionary product, Ray-Ban Wayfarer glasses, with 2 cameras and a microphone built in. At the time, they didn't gain much attention, since the main use was to live stream ordinary moments on Instagram Live. However, fast forward to 2024, and these smart glasses are back with some truly game-changing AI features. Now they're being marketed as more than just a live streaming device. They've become a personal assistant, helping you remember where you parked, translating languages on the go, and even identifying objects in real time. In other words, when you wear them, your brain's memory becomes nearly obsolete. Let's say you've parked your car in a crowded parking garage. Normally, you'd be frantically searching for it after a long day. But with these glasses, all you need to do is ask,
Meta, remind me where I parked my car.
You parked in spot 2304.
Oh, okay.
saving you time and potential frustration. As AI continues to improve, it's almost eerie how much these glasses can do. But at the same time, the question looms, how much of your personal data are you giving up for this convenience? These glasses also have features like real-time language translation, which means learning a new language may no longer feel necessary.
Hey, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo está tu rodilla? ¿Has vuelto a entrenar?
Hey, how are you? How is your knee back training?
Doing well. Knee is doing well. It feels strong. I'm ramping up training. How are you doing? Are you getting ready for your next fight?
Haciendo bien. La rodilla está haciendo bien y sentirse fuerte.
Why struggle with language courses when your glasses can instantly translate foreign text or even conversations? Beyond this, the glasses also help you understand the world around you by identifying objects, animals, or even people. Want to know what animal you're looking at? Just ask. It might seem innocent enough, but as these capabilities grow, so does the potential for misuse. Imagine being able to look at a stranger and find out their name, workplace, or even their social credit score, all because this technology captures and processes data that was once considered private. A plot twist that feels like something straight out of Black Mirror. Someone has actually built an app that leverages these smart glasses for real-time facial recognition and personal data retrieval. Today, we'll delve into how these glasses and the app work, exploring their potential implications while showing you steps you can take to protect your own data. Now, Google was actually first to market with smart glasses over a decade ago, launching Google Glass. However, the product fell flat for various reasons, chiefly because the design made wearers look awkward. In classic Meta fashion, Zuckerberg took the core concept, stripped away the awkward design, and partnered with Ray-Ban to make these smart glasses look stylish, like any other pair of sunglasses. This time, they're not designed to make you stand out, but rather to blend in. For $299, you can pick up a pair of these glasses, which allow you to access all sorts of information about the world around you. One controversial aspect of this technology is how it lets you interact with strangers. Imagine walking up to someone and, just by looking at them, knowing their name, where they work, or other personal details they might consider private. Suddenly, starting a conversation is easy, but it raises significant ethical concerns. With a real-time video stream straight from the glasses to Instagram, a computer program analyzes the stream, detecting faces and then scouring the internet to match those faces with public records and social media profiles. So how does this work? First, the glasses provide a real-time video feed. Using open-source vision models, the system can detect faces, providing coordinates for facial features. However, these models alone can't identify the person. That's where step 2 comes in, a reverse image search using tools like PimEyes or FaceCheck ID. These tools, while controversial, are highly effective. They comb through images on the internet, often pulling up photos that people didn't even know were publicly accessible. These databases are loved by stalkers and disliked by privacy advocates, as they allow anyone to identify people from otherwise anonymous photos. Once the face is matched with a name, the app then moves to step 3, searching for additional information. By tapping into services like Fast People Search or Instant Checkmate, the system can find details like date of birth, phone numbers, addresses, and even the names of relatives. At this point, the app has turned an innocent bystander into a full-profile dossier, gathering details they likely thought were private. After identifying someone, step 4 broadens the search across social media, searching for profiles on LinkedIn, Twitter, or other networks. Web scrapers and APIs allow the app to build a comprehensive profile, from recent tweets to job history, hobbies, and more. Finally, a large language model like LMA, steps in to analyze the data and craft conversation starters. So why should you be concerned? Well, this technology brings up serious privacy issues. Apps like these aren't yet widely available to the public, but they highlight how easy it has become to invade personal privacy. The app, I-XRAY, operates by combining facial recognition software, large language models, and public databases. Although the developers claim it's built to showcase privacy issues, the mere existence of such an app illustrates how vulnerable we are in a world of rapid technological advancements. Fortunately, there are ways to protect yourself. In many countries, you have the right to be forgotten, meaning you can request to have your data removed from data broker websites. Developers of the app have provided guides on how to opt out of various data brokers to protect yourself. But while it's possible to shield some of your information, most people willingly give away enormous amounts of data every day. When you wear these glasses, for instance, Meta has access to everything you see, giving them more advertising power. Your data is no longer just a digital footprint, it's a goldmine for tech companies. However, it's not just Meta or private companies we should worry about. Government entities around the world are leveraging similar technology for mass surveillance. For example, China's social credit system monitors citizens' behaviors, linking actions to their scores. If this kind of technology proliferates, it's not hard to imagine a world where everything you do in public is monitored, analyzed, and potentially used against you. If you're concerned about these implications, you may want to think twice about sharing photos online, going out in public, or even using devices connected to major tech companies. So, what can you do to safeguard your privacy in this digital age? First, consider limiting the amount of personal information you share online. Be mindful of what you post on social media and the types of apps you download. If you're particularly worried about privacy, opt out of data brokers. Most importantly, stay informed. As technology continues to evolve, so will the ways it can be used, for better or worse. In the end, while these glasses might offer impressive capabilities, they come at a cost. It's up to us to decide where to draw the line. The power of technology should serve us, not control us, and certainly not put our privacy at risk. Beyond limiting personal data exposure, using privacy-enhancing tools like virtual private networks, VPNs, and secure messaging apps can also help protect your information. Encryption tools can be particularly useful for keeping your communications private, while privacy-focused browsers can prevent websites from tracking your browsing habits. Additionally, regularly updating your devices ensures you're protected by the latest security patches, reducing vulnerabilities to potential hackers. Finally, advocating for stronger privacy regulations and supporting companies that prioritize user privacy can make a difference. By being proactive about both personal and collective privacy measures, you not only protect yourself but also contribute to a broader push for a more privacy-respecting digital world. The more we demand privacy-responsible products and services, the more likely companies are to respond with solutions that protect our data and empower us to control our digital footprint. I hope you found the video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.